why won't you come inside? Come on inside. Come on inside. Basil, why won't you come inside? Come on. Do you guys have something to show me? Let's go look in the kitchen. Come here. Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Johnny, come on. Why are you guys hanging your heads? What's that on the floor? Are you all bad dogs? Did you do that while I was gone? What is this? What is this? Did you do that? Did you get that off the table and then your brother ate it? What do you think? Is that what you guys did? Is that what you guys did while I was gone? Is that what you guys did while I was gone? Johnny, no. Bad dogs.